promoting. Exactly. All these problems, this system, the cure. The other thing Maoko mentioned, and give me lungoni, again tire bende yuagruok public sector ka ningato wacho ni an gige na supply 5 years ago poko chula to winjo fununu moro ni ngane ngato no supply last month to sai chula. Okay? Age debtors. Nyakwange ni to how did you pay the oldest debt to where the most the current debt where the oldest mago gik madhibedo tackled a budget this chick masani to get reforms koro the long and short of it and the new act will introduce a lot of reforms more important for economic recovery and fiscal consolidation and revenue generation. Gima adwanyiso investors to the business community mantiere Kenya ka any take advantage. Okay? Kidwaro hola to sama hola ni rates ni piny kaka sani minyalo kawe hola minyalo keto a business maber. Bende kidwaro timo investment this sani minyalo timo investment maber ni cost to production dhi dok piny. Gima kenda nyalo nyiso jopiny maber en mpango ma sirkal okeloge are important nikech gidhi create opportunities mag employment. Cost of life is likely to go down. Issues mag depreciation kata mag in terms of currency are likely to go down. Man will have effect on the physical on the balance of trade. All these are aimed at improving the economy. Gima jopiny bende owinjo ong'e ka economy grow maber kama en ni at individual level, at microeconomic level, in bende find something minyalo timo mondo mi improve at your personal level. Koro ka government ose create, teach government is to create an enabling environment. To